First, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. Next to the Edit Profile button, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those to open your profile settings. From the menu that appears, select the Lock Profile option. Facebook will give you a quick overview of what locking your profile does. Tap the blue Lock Your Profile button at the bottom. And that's it. A pop-up will confirm that you've locked your profile. Just tap OK. Now to unlock it, tap on the You Locked Your Profile indicator on your profile page. You'll see an option to unlock. Tap on that. Facebook will again show you what happens when you unlock your profile. Tap the blue Unlock Your Profile button at the bottom. A confirmation will appear saying you've unlocked your profile. Tap OK, and you're all done. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.